Welcome back to Boundless Books. Today we are diving into Chapter 5 of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, The Whomping Willow. This chapter is filled with adventure, mishaps, and a tree with a serious temper. Let's get started. Our story picks up with Harry and the Weasleys as they prepare to head back to Hogwarts. Arthur's magical flying car adds a touch of excitement to their journey to King's Cross Station. But as you might expect, things don't go entirely to plan. With their usual chaotic charm, the Weasleys manage to reach the station in time, or so they think. Harry and Ron find themselves mysteriously blocked from entering platform 9 3/4. The barrier remains solid, leaving them stranded as the Hogwarts Express departs without them. Thinking quickly, Ron suggests they take the flying car to Hogwarts. What could possibly go wrong? Flying high above the countryside, Harry and Ron marvel at the view below. They spot the Hogwarts Express and feel a surge of excitement, but their joy is short-lived. The enchanted car begins to struggle under the strain of the journey, leaving the boys in a precarious situation. Their journey takes a turn for the worse as the car crash lands into the infamous Whomping Willow. The ancient tree lashes out, smashing the car with its powerful branches. Bruised and shaken, the boys manage to escape, but their troubles are far from over. Upon sneaking into the castle, Harry and Ron are immediately caught by Professor Snape, who is furious about their reckless journey. Professor McGonagall and Dumbledore also weigh in, giving them a stern warning about their actions. Back in Gryffindor Tower, the boys are met with a mixture of awe and frustration from their friends, ending their adventurous day on a reflective note. The book offers more detailed context and emotional depth compared to the movie. The Weasleys' preparation for King's Cross, the invisibility of the flying Ford Anglia, and Harry and Ron's panic at being blocked from platform 9 3/4 are explored in greater depth in the book. The flight to Hogwarts includes scenic descriptions and gradual malfunctions of the car, while the movie focuses more on fast-paced action and comedic moments. Additionally, the consequences at Hogwarts are more detailed in the book, particularly Snape's attempt to get Harry and Ron expelled and Dumbledore's stern warning, which are shortened in the movie. These changes streamline the plot for the film, but sacrifice some of the book's nuanced storytelling. That wraps up Chapter 5, The Whomping Willow. From wild flights to tree attacks, this chapter is packed with thrills. What did you think? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for Chapter 6. I am Diego.